Hello everyone, Justin with Deep Dive Stocks here, and today is your pre-market dive for Sunday, September 21st, and we're going to look at some futures and Bitcoin to see how the markets are opening for the week ahead. Let's get started. First up, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures, or ES futures. We see it closed yesterday with some nice bullish liquidity. And today it opened with said bullish liquidity, but we can see the price is currently down 0.07%. So we might need to tap LDPM L7 for a little bit of bullish support, which stands not too far down at about 0.13%. But overall, the liquidity is bullish, and so are the outlooks. If we move up to the 1 hour, we also see a similar story, bullish liquidity. And if we move up to the 1 day, similar story, bullish liquidity. So this early market, little bit of a downturn, 0.1%, seems to be relatively short-lived. It does look like there's a little bit of profit taking going on, but for now we're at the organic ask, we're flowing to the ask, so things look bullish. It looks like this should recover. But something to keep an eye out, as there are still many hours before the market as a whole opens up. We see a similar theme in the Nasdaq 100 mini futures, where yesterday we ended with that bullish, and by yesterday obviously I mean Friday, we ended with that bullish liquidity. And we opened up with almost an exact same scenario where we have this kind of eager profit taking by way of LDPM L3, but liquidity remains bullish, and so we should recover. If we do need to tap a little bit of organic support, we have 0.2% down until LDPM L7. But like I said, bullish is bullish, even if the price dips a little bit in the meantime. And on the 1 hour, we also see bullish liquidity. And on the day, I imagine a little bit of an aggressive ask looking like it's coming in. And actually on the, I changed stocks accidentally, whoopsies. And on the daily, we also see bullish liquidity. Now, in the strange event that we need support on the daily, that is located about 3.43% down, so a little bit more of a dip if the need for a dip or need for that bullish liquidity makes it all the way to that daily view, but still looks pretty bullish on the whole, even though price is kind of scooting on down. I feel like if we turn it on aggressive, it's going to look bearish, so I'm just not going to do it because then it's just going to confuse me. I'm just going to personally keep an eye out for how it responds as it gets to this support. Otherwise, bullish is as bullish does. Moving right along, we have gold futures looking very bullish. We have that bullish liquidity. We also have a little bit of that profit taking, but contrary to the equity futures, we have this commodities futures. This gold is digesting that ask quite nicely, and it's maintaining its bullish stance. We do see a little bit of flow to the bid. So that is probably that profit taking trying to, unload onto the bid. But overall, bullish liquidity. It looks like we started that on Friday, 9 in the morning, and it's been continuing. So the expectation is price will continue to go up. On Bitcoin, on the 15-minute as well, not as bullish. We see the introduction, it looks like we just cut an aggressive ask cascade. Let's put all the little LDPMs on. Yes, it is. So we have an aggressive ask cascade coming in. Liquidity is bearish. We have this eager ask, this flow to the bid, particularly bearish. And so on the 15-minute, we definitely expect bearish findings for sure. Bearish futures for sure. If we move to the hour, I haven't checked on Bitcoin on the hour in a while. We have bearish liquidity as well. It looks like that's actually started a while ago, back on the 18th. So that doesn't bode too well for trying to get a little bit of a bullish vibe going. Looks like, yeah, we're still kind of headed down. So we're definitely likely going to test this LDPM L7 support. But in the meantime, let's see if there's anything else. So we have ES futures are looking bullish, even though the price is declining a little bit. Nasdaq 100 mini futures, very similar story, although we have actually not, that profit taking is not there anymore. Interessante. Oh, that's on the daily. You should always compare the same times to each other. And yeah, same as the ES futures. So bullish even despite price, and bullish on gold as well, and bearish on Bitcoin. So there's your pre-market dive. My name is Justin. Thanks for hanging out, and happy trading out there.